How to join or create a team in Cyberdojo. Collaborating with others is easy on Cyberdojo, and let's see how to do it. From the dashboard, click Teams in the top menu. To join a team, enter the team code shared by your instructor or friends. To create a new team, click Create Team, name it, and share the generated team code with your collaborators. Once in a team, you can access share exercises and track collective progress. Use clear team names and assign roles for smooth collaboration. It makes scoring challenges more efficient. Are you more likely to join an existing team or start your one? Let us know about it in the comments below. And that's how you can join or create a team in Cyberdojo. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.